Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My statement is regarding the encroachment of public spaces and blockage of roads and drainage systems in estates within Nairobi City County. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53.1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Roads, Transportation and Housing on a matter of a county-wide concern regarding the increased cases of unregulated developments, encroachment on public spaces and obstruction of roads, pedestrian walkways and drainage systems in estates within Nairobi City County. Mr. Speaker, sir, some developers in Nairobi City County continue construction works that interfere with public infrastructure and compromise resident safety, accessibility, and general welfare. These practices include excavating plots from beacon to beacon, obstructing access roads with construction materials, encroaching on pedestrian walkways, extending cabro works to the edge of public walkways, and blocking drainage systems. Residents, particularly in the California area of Nairobi, have been adversely affected and attribute this problem to weak enforcement, irregular approvals, and possible collusion between developers and county government officers responsible for planning approvals, inspections, and development control. In the statement, the committee should address the following: the status of enforcement of development control regulations in estates within Nairobi City County, particularly the California area, including whether ongoing and recently completed developments comply with approved building plans, zoning requirements, setbacks, road reserves, public safety standards, and whether any approvals have been granted for developments that encroach on public roads, pedestrian walkways, drainage channels, or other public utility spaces. Number 3, the measures to prevent developers from undertaking excavations from beacon to beacon or carrying out construction activities that comprise neighboring properties, public access drainage, pedestrian safety, or other public infrastructure. Number 3, the action taken against developers who encroach on public utility spaces or who obstruct public roads with construction materials during construction, including any enforcement notices, penalties, restoration orders, stop orders, or other sanctions issued. Number 4, whether there is collusion involving county officers in the approval, inspection, and enforcement processes for developments within Nairobi City County, particularly the California area, and the steps taken to investigate such claims and hold capable officers accountable. Finally, the immediate measures being undertaken and the timelines for implementation to restore blocked roads, pedestrian walkways, and drainage systems, including the removal of encroachments and other obstructions affecting public access and safety. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.